I feel like Vijay has more expressions than Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu or Vijay? Comment box. More expressions. Okay. That doesn't mean you jump onto somebody and just kill them. Like, if he likes Gilly, that doesn't mean I get offended or he gets offended when he likes Okkadu. Some places Vijay is so funny.
So after that, whatever Vijay has been, this is next level. I'm trying to say his graph is.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you're saying Mahesh Babu graph didn't go?
No, I'm saying Mahesh Babu's. Although.
See? Appadi pode. Should we do something like that?
அப்படி பொத்திண்டி நில்லையா ஓரமா.
Okay, let's directly get into the video. So, hello guys, welcome to another episode of So South Reacts. But this episode is
from this film.
ஆமாங்கண்ணா.
It's a So South Reacts episode, but this one is gonna be a little different. So we are planning a new segment where we are gonna compare, watch old movies, old classics from different language. I am from Telugu states, he's from Karnataka, and we watch Tamil cinema also. We watch Malayalam cinema. We watch cinema in general. So we thought of watching and reacting to our favorite movies or the cult classics of our language, showing and reacting to it. I thought that will be interesting for you people also to join us when we are watching and your favorite moment, something like that. So now that we all know, Gilly movie re-released. It's
okay. So today basically I am the scapegoat or the experimental piece, and the experiment is going to be on me. So whatever my reaction is to the fans, I am a cinema lover, so go easy or try to.
அதுக்காக தான் காத்து நிக்கிறேன். நான் கதியாவறான் பாரு.
Yeah, he is a little scared because the names that are involved in this video have lot at stake. So one is Thalapathy Vijay, badass ma, but now it's Appadi Pode. Okay, so and Gilly versus Okkadu starring Mahesh Babu, which is the best movie out of both of them. And why are we talking about this now? Gilly released in theaters. Gilly starring Thalapathy and Okkadu starring Mahesh Babu, Tamil and Telugu. But the common factor is story and Prakash Raj. I watched both the movies in my childhood itself. I've watched them a couple of times. I have my own personal thing, so I will tell that at the end of the video. So for that you have to wait and watch. But let's show him some iconic scenes of the movie. Who is the winner? Okay.
The classic Mahesh Babu stare.
Ajay.
ఏం జరుగుతోంది ఇక్కడ?
లేదు సార్, ఈ ఏరియాలో అల్లర్లు గొడవలు చాలా ఎక్కువ జరుగుతున్నాయి. వీటిని ఎలా ఆపాలో మీ అందరం కలిసి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం.
డిస్కషన్ అంటే ఇదా? బీ ఇన్ యువర్ లిమిట్.
Father son, no?
That was Mahesh Babu. Now it's the Thalapathy.
Let's get to it fast.
So they changed it like first Sutta Sutra and then.
இந்த இடம் எங்க ஏரியாடி மாட்டியா? நான் சொன்ன உங்க ஏரியாவா? இந்த ஏரியா, அந்த ஏரியா, அந்த இடம், இந்த இடம் எங்கேயுமே எனக்கு பயம் கிடையாதுடா. ஏன்னா ஆல் ஏரியாவிலையும் ஐயா கில்லிடா. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் திரும்பி பாருங்கண்ணா. ஜப்பரு உதாரெல்லாம் நாளைக்கு நம்ம கபடி மேட்ச்ல மோதுவோம்ல, அங்க காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். அடி போட அசால்ட் ஆட போறீங்க. ஏ சிவா
யாரானே?
ஆதிவாசி சார்.
ஆதிவாசி.
பூர்வீக சார், அதனால எல்லாரும் அப்படிதான் கூடுவாங்க. அவரவர் வாழ்க்கையில் ஆயிரம் ஆயிரம் மாற்றங்கள், இது ஒரு அழகிய நல காலம். நம்மெல்லாம் கில்மா பாயஸ்கே
ஏய்,
பாவம்.
இங்க வா. திரும்புடா. என்னடா அது காயம்?
புலி பொறாண்டிச்சு சார்.
புலியா?
என் ஃப்ரெண்டு பேரு புலிகேசி. ஆசையா கை வச்சானா ரத்தம் வந்துச்சு. நகம் பட்டா பாய்சன் அங்கிள்.
Hey, you better mind your language and try to control yourself. Understand?
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஆனா பண்டா டைட்டானிக் பாத்துட்டு ஜுராசிக் பார்க் பக்கத்துல பனகல் பார்க் பக்கத்துல அந்த ஒயின் ஷாப் போகணும். பேட் பாய்ஸ் புரியல உங்களுக்கு? எஸ்கே பாய் வீட்ல போய் தண்ணி அடிக்க சொல்றார் போலீஸ்கார். போய் தொலைங்கடா போங்கடா.
மாட்டிக்கிட்டாண்டி.
போலீஸ்கார் பிகரிங் எல்லாம் பாத்துட்டு போலீஸ்கார் சட்டையில இருந்து கை எடுக்க போலீஸ்கார்.
இவரு பெரிய மன்மதராசா.
போலீஸ்கார் இன்னைக்கு தேதிக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டுல என்ன மாதிரி சுமாரான பசங்க தான் மன்மதராசா போலீஸ்கார்.
டேமேஜ் ஆன டேங்க் லாரி மாதிரி இருக்கு. உனக்கு இமேஜா? ஏய், எங்கடா உங்க லீடர்?
சொகைய விட தான் சொல்லுவேன். என்ன கேட்டீங்க?
உங்க லீடர் எங்க?
அவனை பத்தி பேசாதீங்க போலீஸ்கார்.
ஏன்டா?
அவன் என்ன பண்ண தெரியுமா?
என்ன பண்ணா?
இப்படி திரும்பி அப்படியே ஓட்டாத.
நான் சிரிக்காத சொன்னா எனக்கு அசிங்கமா இருக்கு.
Gilly, Gilly, Gilly.
See, intro wise, Gilly was fun. Okadu was boring.
నన్ను అలా నెగిటివ్గా చూడటం మానే నాలాంటి దుర్మార్గులను ఎలా మార్చాలి.
But Gilly was very silly.
Silly Gilly. Okadu was boring.
Okadu was boring.
Okay.
The intro was too slow.
Okay.
The whole this thing, I was actually happy that they just wrapped it up, fat. Just like this.
బుద్ధుందిరా నీకు?
ఉంటే నీకు అన్నయ్యగా ఎందుకు పుడతానే?
ఇంటికి ఎప్పుడు తిన్నంగా రాలేవా?
నా రూము నా ఇష్టం. అయినా నువ్వేంటి ఈ కోతి మొక్కనేసుకుని తైతక్కలాడుతున్నావు?
మమ్మల్ని కోతులంటావా? నిన్ను
అమ్మో. అర్రే ఆశ, నీకోసం ఒకటి తెచ్చానే.
ఏం తెచ్చావన్నయ్య?
లాలీపాప్. తీసుకో
ఏ
తీసుకో.
ఉండండి వే. అమ్మో, బర్త్డే సూట్లోకి మారిపోయేలాగున్నాడే.
Chor.
ஏய், அறிவு இருக்கா உனக்கு? இப்படி வந்து குதிக்கிற? வாசல் வழியா வீட்டுக்குள்ள வரவே மாட்டியா?
நாங்கெல்லாம் சூப்பர்மேன். இப்படிதான் வருவோம். ஏய் அரிசி மூட்டை, என்ன இந்த வானரங்கெல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டு என் ரூம்ல?
இந்த பார், இந்த இன்சல்ட் பண்ற வேலையெல்லாம் வச்சுக்காத. இவங்க எல்லாம் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.
எது இந்த கால் டிக்கெட் அரை டிக்கெட்லாம் உன் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸா? வெளியே போங்க.
ஏய், நான் ஏன் வெளில போகணும்? இந்த ரூம்ல எனக்கும் ஈக்குவல் ரைட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அப்பா சொல்லிருக்காரு.
அது முழுசா மூணு. இந்தியன் எக்கானமி இஸ் த பெஸ்ட் எக்கானமி. இந்தியன் எக்கானமி போலீஸ் அகாடமி பார்ட் 1 பார்ட் 2.
தெருவுல பொறுக்கித்தனமா சண்டை போட்டுட்டு இங்க வந்து நல்ல புள்ள மாதிரி படிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கியா?
சியரா படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கான். அவனு போய்
இந்தியன் எக்கானமி இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அவர் எக்கானமி.
இந்த உலகத்திலேயே பாவாடைய கட்டிக்கிட்டு படிக்கிற முதல் பையன் உன் பையனா தாண்டி இருப்பான்.
என்ன நினைச்சு பாவாடைய கட்டிப்போமேடா. அது வந்து படிக்கிற ஆர்வத்துல அடையாளம் தெரியாம.
அப்படியா?
போய் பா போய். அவன் சொல்றத எதையும் நம்பாதீங்க.
என்னது இளைய தளபதி விஜய் தாக்கப்பட்டார்.
No.
Okadu.
Hey, what was it with the scene?
It gets more sillier.
Okay. Now next is
మనకెదురు తిరిగే దమ్ము ఎవడుకుంది? మన మగతనం గురించి వినే ఉంటావు. మోజు పడితే బిడ్డ తల్లిని మొగుడు పోయిన ఆడదాన్ని కూడా వదల్లే. ఈ ఏరియాలో కూడా ఇంచుమించు నచ్చిన ఆడోళ్ళందరిని టచ్ చేసింది. కానీ నీ ఒక్కదాని మీద
he's just saying I am a criminal, I kill, I am a womanizer, everything.
ఐ లవ్ యూ. నువ్వెప్పుడు సమర్థాడతావని కాపుగాసిన. నువ్వు నా కళల్లోకి వస్తావు, ఏడిపిస్తావు, నవ్విస్తావు. నువ్వు నా రాణివి. నాకు, నా ఇంటికి, నా కోటకి రారాణివి. మన పెండ్లికి ఎవడట్టొచ్చినా ప్రాణాలతో బయటపడ్డు.
రే బిడ్డ, అది చిన్న పిల్లరా, సిగ్గుపడతా ఉంది. పెద్దదాన్ని నేను వచ్చినాక నేను మాట్లాడుతా ఉండు.
చూడు
చూడు దశరథ రావిడ్డే.
వెళ్ళొస్తాని. ఐ లవ్ యూ.
చలో
హాయ్ చలో.
Bro, this dialogue, "Hi Cello," is iconic.
I love you. ஏய், என்னடா பாக்குறீங்க? ஏன் பாக்குற? அப்படியெல்லாம் பார்க்க கூடாது. போ 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 போ. தூக்குங்கடா அவனை, தூக்குங்க. போ போ போ. ஆடா. நல்ல வாழ்ற காலத்துல பாக்குற நிறைய பொண்ணுங்களை வெச்சு, ஆனா கட்டிக்கிட்டு கடைசி வரைக்கும் வெச்சு வாழணும்னு உன்ன மாதிரி யாராவது ஒருத்தைய பார்க்கும்போது தான் தோணுது.
Yeah. This "I love you" is also one of the iconic scenes. Yeah.
I'm just wondering, I just want to remember the Kannada version.
Okay, not to Prakash Raj. So Prakash Raj, according to him.
No. See, Prakash Raj as an actor is phenomenal. And even in these things you can see that both the actresses, they were considerably new to the field, and you can see how he is eating up the scene.
Yeah.
But it's just the characters.
அதெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஏன் சொல்ற நீ? அதெல்லாம் நீ சொல்லக்கூடாது. வா.
Bro, that's how he is. That's how the character. Oh, you don't. Okay, you didn't like it. He didn't like the character.
Many happy returns of the day, Lollipop.
పట్టపగలు నడి రోడ్డు మీద అదే కొండారెడ్డి బ్రుజ్ దగ్గర ఓబులెడ్డి మీద చేయి చేసుకున్నాడు. ఎవడా అతను? ఖచ్చితంగా కర్నూలులోడు మాత్రం అయి ఉండాడు.
Let's see what our Talapati has to offer. Madhuri. Bro, it looks like a raincoat.
Jogging in jeans.
வாடி. பேசாம ஏறு. ஏறு. உள்ள. ஏறு चलो. चलो மேடம் ஏறு. ஏறு உள்ள. ஏறு. ஏறு உள்ள. பட்டப்பல்ல நட்ட நடு ரோட்ல முத்து பாண்டியவே குத்தி விட்டானே. யார் அவன்? சத்தியமா அவன் இந்த ஊர்க்காரனா மட்டும் இருக்க மாட்டான்.
Both were good. See, for me, in terms of that screen presence, Mahesh Babu seems better. Vijay is exceptional with screen presence in his films now. But when we compare these two, Mahesh Babu.
Okay.
Although I feel like Vijay has more expressions than Mahesh Babu. I know I'm walking on a thin line here.
I disagree with that.
Nah.
I disagree with that. Mahesh Babu or Vijay? Comment box. More expressions. Okay. Because there are fan wars happening, both of the movies are re-released. The whole point is about Gillies collecting more than Mahesh Babu's Okkadu. There's this all common opinion that Mahesh Babu is bland face, no expression to a lot of Tamilians.
హలో బ్రదర్ ఓకే నువ్వేం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు?
And a lot of Telugu people feel that Vijay is silly. I don't know, very gimmicky. He doesn't know how to act. So, but the idea is both the fans are fighting among each other. That our hero did it, and the neutral people have different opinions.
అంగటి పోయి వెళ్ళానుకప్పా.
So all those opinions. So what is your opinion?
I see points in all the opinions because Mahesh Babu does have a very stock face. Screen presence aside, he does have a very face. And Vijay also is a little animated with his acting. He is, silly when it comes to his comedy timing or anything like that. Again, screen presence aside, because without it, they can't become superstars of such magnitude without anything. They are superstars because of their own merit. And it is their presence and how much people enjoy whatever they do on screen.
Yeah.
See,
Give me a clear winner.
Okkadu is a Telugu film.
Okay.
And Gilli is a Tamil film.
That was given. Give me something more.
No,
I need one.
1 minute. I would go with the original because it is the original.
Bro, that is a very... You remember for a Project K video what he has done, and now see what he is doing here.
What?
With whatever you have watched, pick one.
Yeah. Okkadu, because it is the original.
That's the only reason? If Gilli was the original, you would have picked Gilli?
Yeah.
Okay, keeping that aside, both those, based on the scenes that you have watched, pick.
Either Vijay or Mahesh Babu.
Huh.
That is tough.
Vijay or Mahesh Babu.
Although...
See? You said it's boring, but see?
Vijay? Vijay?
Vijay?
Yeah.
Why? No. Obviously.
Because, see, this version of Vijay I haven't seen a lot of.
Okay.
It is only
You didn't watch Sachin, you didn't watch...
No, it is only after past Teri and all of those films is when I actually started watching Vijay, and that is basically when I started watching cinema of other languages. So after that, whatever Vijay has been, this is next level.
Okay, so you're trying to say his graph is...
No. I'm trying to say his graph is...
Oh, okay. But still you would pick... Oh, so you're saying Mahesh Babu graph didn't go?
No, I'm saying Mahesh Babu's...
For me, I like Okkadu, bro.
Of course. Telugu Pilla.
Pillagadu.
Just started to learn.
Yeah, I appreciate that effort. Thanks. So, Okkadu, I like it because one nostalgia factor, I definitely agree. And this is a very, borderline, it's in the border of being funny and serious also, the scenes or whatever. The humor is in the character. The character is not trying to crack a joke. Prakash Raj. It's you understand, right? Even the Mahesh Babu performance complements the extroverted nature of Prakash Raj there. So it goes hand in hand. The way scenes are written, the way the story progresses, there's that calm nature to the story, okay, which I feel is missing. There are portions in Gilli which I really enjoy. I definitely give that. But if I enjoy both the movies, but for me, Okkadu is my favorite. And some places Vijay is so funny. I just
Now,
yeah.
You know I love you. अरे कसम से
I can't hear
शादी करनी
this.
बाकी है, हनीमून पे जाना बाकी है. एक बार शादी हो जाने
start
तक
with
में
love you.
दो छोटे मोटे चुन्नू मुन्नू भागेंगे घर में.
मुझे ये शादी नहीं करनी
background cinema.
वीरभद्र जैसे दबंग आदमी को इसने बीच चौराहे पर मारा. आखिर ये है कौन भाई? इसे पहले तो कभी नहीं देखा. जरूर बाहर से आया होगा.
I like this one, except for the
Bombla.
no, the very bad Zabardast Tevar.
Okay.
Seem better produced than the other two. Bruh.
Bro, it's the color grading. It's released in the same time because Goldmine picked it up. They okay. So you feel this is better? Ajay is better than the other two.
Yeah.
Okay. So the bottom line of the story is, I like Okkadu because I'm a Telugu. He likes Ajay because he's a Kannadiga. And if you're a Tamilian or a Talapati fan, you will like Gilly. It's as simple as that. So let's not fight.
There's no need for war.
Yeah, then let's not versus
It's
this.
all love. It's just
It's all
fan
love. Yeah, I enjoy Gilly. I enjoy Ajay. He also enjoys. It's just that you like it. You don't like it. You obviously will like the movie that is yours or you first watched. It's just that. So let's not go for versus business and watch all the movies.
ஏண்டா தலையா தளபதியான்னு கேட்டா கமல் மாதிரி புரியாமையே பேச.
With that, mention your opinions in the comments below about which movie is your favorite, which movie is better, best. No, that kind of business is not there. Which is your favorite
your
movie?
favorite?
Mention that in the comments below. And with that, this is Maruti Acharya.
And I am Sanjay Panappa.
And you're watching India Today, So South.